In other health news, the Minister of Health, Professor Onyebuchi Chukwu, has visited the Ebola Isolation Center in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, to assess the level of work done by the Ebola response team. Professor Chukwu, who led a delegation from the Federal Ministry of Health, the Rivers State capital, told reporters that he is optimistic that Nigeria is winning the fight against the deadly Ebola virus. Nothing must be left to chance in the quest to contain the spread of the Ebola disease and ultimately stamp it out of Rivers State, as the Minister of Health, Onyebuchi Chukwu, visits Port Harcourt to get a first-hand assessment of the situation.
The standards are very high, as would be expected of an infectious disease treatment center. And the staff, their morale is very high. I'm very impressed. And I've asked them any major challenge. They say for now they don't have any challenge. They are happy with the way they are being treated. They are happy with the training they received, and they are doing just their work.
Received by members of the Ebola response team led by the Commissioner of Health, Samson Parker, the minister's first assignment was to visit the treatment center in Emohua local government area before proceeding to the National Disease Control Center at the University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital. Confirming that it's just one Ebola virus patient that's in the treatment center, Professor Chukwu told journalists that 18 cases were registered in the country, 8 of which have been discharged.
When you are in contact, you are not a criminal, you are not ill. We are, both of us, the contact and the doctors who are looking after you, are just taking, extra care. And that is why we say government is on top of the situation. Once government knows what the problem is, knows what the solution is, and need minute by minute, hour by hour, daily by daily, then everybody should just remain calm.
And there's a message from the Ministry of Health in Rivers State that the Ebola virus is not a death sentence as it can be managed. It's a message the government hopes will eventually be understood by all Nigerians as the fight against the Ebola virus intensifies. Joke Rogers, Channels Television News.